Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover deleted call recording or restore deleted call recording. If you want to recover or restore your all deleted audio recording, voice recording or call recording when you accidentally delete or lose your call recording, voice recording or audio recording. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. After that, open Google Play Store. Call recording recovery. Please install this app. Open it. Data recovery. Recover your files that you lost. After that, choose next. And in this time, you can choose and select your own language. I can choose English language. After that, right top corner, click on it. Choose next. Next. Got it. You can see recover data here. After that, my recover data. So in this time, I can choose recover data here. Click on it. After that, choose allow. Allow access to manage all files. Turn on this option. Click on it. Go back. Again, recover data here. Click on it. After that, choose and open. Go for recover. You can see photo, video, audio, other doc. In this time, I can choose and open audio. And in this here, I can see my deleted call recording. And in this time, I can easily recover or restore all deleted call recording. So let's see. After that, open files. And in this time, I can easily recover or restore all deleted call recording. So let's see. In this time, I can choose and select some call recording. You can see I can choose and select some call recording, voice recording or audio recording. After that, restore, click here. Open audio folder. And in this here, I can see my recover or restore deleted call recording. After that, open my recover data. Open audio. And remember, in this here, save your all recover or restore deleted call recording, audio recording or voice recording, save in this here. And in this way, I can easily recover or restore deleted call recording or recover or restore deleted audio recording, voice recording. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.